A lot of YouTubers have championed baking soda to be the almighty cleansing substance, neglecting to also tell you the side effects.
God, oh, the blood we are sharing there is God.
So because baking soda is well known for its whitening power and also its power in neutralizing body odor, doesn't give it a good reason to be on your face. I'll tell you why only if you stick with me to the end of this video. Welcome back to my channel. It's Ogala Esther here, and if you're new to this family, hey, come on, welcome. Consider subscribing also. You're gonna help me by subscribing. Yes, I can't lie. Let's get straight into this video already.
Baking soda, I got baking soda. Baking soda, I got baking soda.
A healthy skin is slightly acidic. This acidic mantle acts as a protective barrier. So I'll tell you what happens when you frequently use baking powder on your face. When you frequently use baking powder on your face, the protective barrier that is meant to fight bacteria and save you from breakout is going to be destroyed. Your face pH level is altered. Natural bacteria are also disrupted, and this will leave you prone to breakouts, infections that you're gonna be sorry for yourself afterwards. Most people do not know that their skin is actually sensitive, hence run away from baking soda. What did I say? Run away. Also, hey, if you can borrow slippers and run, you're gonna run and leave that baking soda. Sensitive skins are not friendly with baking soda at all. I am on this table, so if you shake this table, hey, this table is going to break with me falling down. That is so how I'm on this table. Let me just increase the volume so that those at the back, they're gonna hear this and change their ways. Apparently, after watching so many YouTube videos on baking soda, I, as in me, moi, with myself by myself, carried myself to the market, went to get baking soda, and decided to experiment on my own face, not knowing that it was sensitive. I had burns. My face was as if fire was on the mountain. An experience I wouldn't want you to go through, as in never. Since baking soda is a no-no for you, and of course you have to glow and you have to pop, you have to keep the skin, I would advise you use fragrance-free moisturizing lotion. Cetaphil is a good brand. I'm just going to say the one that works for me. So before you pick a product, a skincare product, do not just pick it because you see it online, because a YouTuber gives good review on it, determines its good use. Ensure that you research, ensure that you experiment, and it works. Know your skin type before you pick a product. Since I do not approve you using baking soda outrightly on your face without probably mixing it with turmeric, coconut oil, cinnamon, honey, whatsoever, here is 5 things you can also do with your baking soda aside from baking soda. You can use baking soda to clean your vegetables and fruits. You can also use baking soda to cleanse your teeth. You can use baking soda to cleanse dirty armpits. You can also use baking soda to clean your toilets, your towels, because it's a good cleansing and whitening agent. You can also use baking soda to normalize your fridge odor. I hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you did not like it, feel free to give it a thumbs down. Until I see you in my next one, keep on doing you, keep on loving you, and keep on being you. Love and light always, you know now.